The question is to factor the polynomial. So the first question, we have a binomial 4x squared minus 100. First thing we have to do is we have to find the common factor of 4 and 100, right? Since 4 is just 4 times 1 and 100 is 4 times 25, our common factor is 4, right? So this is equal to 4 times, we have x squared minus 25, correct? Now we see that 25 is perfect square, right? That's 5 squared. So that is equal to 4 times x squared minus 5 squared, right? Now using the formula, a squared minus b squared is always equal to a minus b times a plus b, right? This is equal to 4 times x minus 5, x plus 5, right? Now next question, we have 16x squared minus 1. For this question, we do not have any common factor of this term 16x squared and 1, right? But each term, 16x squared and 1 can be written as perfect square, right? 16x squared is 4x squared minus 1 is just 1 square. So using this formula right here, this is equal to 4x minus 1 times 4x plus 1, right? Next question is 4x cubed minus 64x. If we look at the coefficient first, 4 is 4 times 1 and 64 is 4 cubed, right? So that's actually 4 times 16. So 4 is common factor of this binomial. And since we have x cubed here, x here, one of the x is also common factor of this binomial, right? So this is equal to 4, common factor 4, and one of the x's, times, we have x squared, and minus 16, correct? 16 is equal to 4 squared, right? So 4x, x squared minus 4 squared, this is equal to, using a minus b times a plus b, 4x, x minus 4, x plus 4, right? Next question, we have x minus 5 squared minus 9y to the power of 4. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to let x minus 5 is equal to a. And we see that 9y to the power of 4 can be written as the square of 3y squared, right? So this is equal to a squared minus 3y squared squared. Now using this formula right here, a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b times a plus b. This expression is equal to a minus 3y squared times a plus 3y squared. Now what we have to do is we have to substitute x minus 5 for a, right? So this is equal to x minus 5 minus 3y squared times x minus 5 plus 3y squared, right?